Now I'll be showing you how to do copy paste and cut paste in Excel file. It is apparently very easy thing, but many people may not know. So in the course I have decided to keep the copy and paste. First I am going the easiest one. Suppose in the data there is lots of data. I want to do a copy paste of the data in a different page of the same Excel. So I have created one, or I can create here by this way. I am copying this thing, right click, left click on the copy, then right click and left click on paste. So this is copied. Similarly, if I want to do the cut paste, then in the same process I will be selecting the area or the data first, then do cut. Here I can do paste. Difference between cut paste and copy paste is, in copy paste the data is getting copied, so it is getting basically replicated, and whereas in cut paste the database gets shifted into a different location. In the primary location the data becomes empty. That's the difference. So this is cut paste and copy paste in Excel. Suppose I want to copy the entire database of this sheet to a new page. Then how to do that? If the new page does not exist, then I can right click on the file and do move or copy. For copying I need to do create a copy. If I want to move this page to a different file, then I will not be clicking this one. If I click it here, that means it's a copy. If I need to copy the entire file or entire sheet into a new file, then I'll be doing a right click over there and find a new file where to copy the sheet. Here is a new book is there. So I click it here, then I do OK, and the data got shifted into a new file. Then you can save it and it will be having the same data in a different file. Even if you want to use the move data, here only I am showing. I am doing the right click on the page, then selecting the file where to do the copy. If I want to copy, then I have to tick the box. If I want to move the data, then I will not be ticking the box below. Here in the particular file, I can select after which page or sheet of the Excel I can paste or move the data, as I am showing in the screen. If right now I can, if I click OK, the data will be moved from this file to new file. Just check. See, in the training on Excel file, data got copied. Got it? The data is there, and I am closing the other file. Another option to do cut paste or copy paste is you have to select the entire sheet by clicking at the leftmost corner of the top and select the entire page. Then do the copy paste or cut paste. Then go to the new sheet, blank sheet, and do a paste. So if you are doing the copy paste, the data will be copied in a new page. If you are using cut paste, then the old data will be transferred to the new page. So today we will be learning about copy and paste special in Excel. Here we are having a sort of small database where there is some formulas. Like here you can see the formulas. So we need to copy the data in a different page or Excel sheet. First we are creating an Excel sheet here and naming as new. Now we are selecting the entire database and then doing the right click, then left click on the copy then go here, then right click on the cell, then this screen will come up, then go after the pay special. Then there are some options. What are the options? If you click here and do the paste, it's a normal copy and paste. Everything will copy and paste. Then this is the formulas. Only the formula will come. This is the values. Only the value will come. No formula will be coming. Let's see. So here I have done copy and paste special, only values. Then what is happening? It is coming the data only. See, all the results are coming, not the formulas. Whereas in this field you see there are formulas are there. T2 by C2. These are not data. These are formulas. But whenever I will be doing the formula copy and paste, it will come as only numeric data, not a formula. There are some other options also. I am showing you. So comments. This is a format. What is format? You will get the format of the data. Let's play. Then it will come. No data will come. Only the format of the cell. And the cell format of the cells also come here. There is another option is comment. First, understand what is comment. Suppose here I am inserting comment. Here is a comment. Whenever I am taking the cursor here, it is showing the comment. So right now the comment, copy the entire thing, then doing paste special comments. Left click, select and left click on comment and then OK. So what will happen? See here the comment has come, nothing has come else. No other data has come. I am copying this one and going here, paste special. One important thing I will be showing, that is which require transpose. See, there are lots of things are in Excel, all are not relevant for everybody. So I will be showing you the major things which are normally 95% cases. These are the things you need to know. So I am going to transpose. What is transpose? It is very important formula. If I do that, all the columns will go and the row will come as column. Just see. The mobile number, it was in column. So this A column has become this one as a row. Understood? This column has become row. Similarly, this age column, this is also become a row. This entire thing came on vertical mode and the vertical things came as horizontal mode. So I think you have understood this thing. It is very important to understand paste special. Other options are there, they are not that important. You can try at your end, and if there is any problem, just get in touch with me. Thank you.